Hello everyone, I would like to talk about technical information on the labels of the insert boxes used in CNC machines. What this information is and how we can use it. These are product code, geometry and grade of the insert given by the manufacturer. Also, ISO material codes and the cutting values obtained as a result of various tests. It is important to know this information because these products are expensive materials and we want to get the most efficient results in their use. Let's first look at the ISO material codes. Each material has its own characteristics that are affected by factors, such as alloying elements, heat treatment, and hardness. These factors affect the choice of insert geometry, grade, and cutting data. To facilitate this selection, workpiece materials are divided into 6 main groups, according to the ISO standard. Each group has different features in terms of machinability. 6 different ISO material codes are shown here. These letters were created by taking the initials for German words. P for steels, M for stainless steels, K for cast irons, N for non-ferrous materials, S for heat-resistant alloys, H for hardened steels. Manufacturers indicate on the insert boxes for which materials these inserts are produced. According to these, users make their choices. Let's start with insert information for turning. It shows that it is proper for P and K, steel and cast materials. Cutting values for both material groups are given here. AP, cutting depth, FN, feet per revolution, VC, cutting speed. In milling example, it shows that it is proper for P and M materials, steel and stainless steel. FZ, feet per tooth, VC, cutting speed, VF, table feet, we will calculate it later, Z, number of cutter teeth. So, how do we use these values? On the left side, we see the cutting speed formulas for 2 different measurement systems. For the metric system, we use this formula. This one is used for the inch system. Now let's calculate the number of revolution for this workpiece. In this formula, I got VC value on the insert box 365. P is a constant number 3.14. D is measured diameter of the workpiece 50 mm. Putting all the values in the formula will give us the ideal speed we will use for this workpiece. Also, I got Feedrate value as 0.25, meaning the distance it will take in millimeters per revolution. For milling, we use the same formula. The only difference is that in this formula, we write the diameter of the tool. Let's take the values given for stainless steel and calculate the number of revolution for this tool. Cutting speed is 290. Tool diameter is 80 mm. As a result, we got the number of revolution for the tool 1150 rpm. We also use VF formula for the table feet. FZ is feet per tooth. We got this value from the insert box, 0.12. Z is the number of cutter teeth, that is 7 for this tool. N is the number of revolution, 1150 rpm. And the result is 966 mm per minute. In this way, we calculate speed and table feet for the tool and the material.